Hey, papo, mira.
Here you go.
Hey, thank you, man.
Do you want a bag?
No, I
You just take it as is.
Yeah.
¿Y esto no le quedarán a tu papá, Kevin?
¿Qué vale este?
5. 5.
Y ahora ya está el short que había aquí.
Aquí.
Con playera.
Sí.
Mira.
¿No tienes story por story? Es story por...
Con playera. No tiene más shorts para tu hermano.
I don't think so.
Buscarle a tu hermano porque como él no tiene tiempo.
What is this one? This one might be a 30 by 30.
Mira,
32.
más grande, a tu hermano le gustan así.
Está aquí, miente.
Toca la tela.
Hey, papo.
Thank you.
¿Y este?
3.
¿No have story por story?
No, that's what he was looking for.
No hay story por
Some are like 31, some might be 32. This one might be a 30.
Okay, man.
Thank you. This one's a 30, but it has some ribs. 5 and 10.
You got it at 10?
I think so. What's the total? 8, 20, 40, 60, 80.
Sigamos viendo.
A tu hermano con eso está bien.
Sí, pero yo...
¿Tú te llama tu papá? ¿Sabes?
20, 40, 60, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92.
You got it back?
Yes.
Papi, how much is it?
20. Thank you.
What size that is?
12.
How much is it?
50.
Can I get it for 30?
I'll do 40. Yeah, I could do 40. They're like 100 a brand new. 20. Let's see the other one. It's not bad.
But this one's... You gotta tell me...
Yeah, I could do 40 the lowest. Otherwise, it's my size, so I'd keep it. Some are 5, some are 10. But if you get a bunch, I'll do a deal. Camo 10. I can do 5 though.
I'll give you 35 for.
I'd rather hold on. 40 is my lowest. Like I said, if they were my size, then I would. 10 each. The other ones are 5. It's just because those have characters on them. These are 5. For total?
How many?
$11? It's about like 6 a piece because you have more Levi's. I don't know if I have bag this big. I just have Publix bags.
Okay.
You want to do?
Small bag?
Yeah, small bags.
No.
I don't know if I have any big. Actually, you know what? Hey, how's it going, man? You guys good? No, the first week of March. So like 3 weeks. I got vintage in both those bins if you guys want to look at it. Better?
Okay.
Thank you. Well, I packed it up super early today. It's only 11:30. I started packing up at 11 o'clock. It's just ridiculously hot, but we did almost do $500. We did $583. Now I'm gonna quickly go get my windows tinted, well, my windshield tinted, which will be in a separate video. So I hope you guys did enjoy this week's selling sessions. Stay tuned for the tinted windshield video. Let's get it, guys.